Hi guys, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my tiny basement soap shop. I'm coming at you with a double feature of rose soap this week. So I just uploaded my rose and peony, and this is rose sandalwood. Totally different recipes and designs, but I think you'll like them for different reasons. This is a vegan, palm-free, all-natural recipe, and I'll share all of the details down below. And I already made it a few days ago. So I'm gonna show you first how I made the soap, and then we will cut it together, and I might just have a couple of inspirational thoughts to share at the end. Thanks for joining me today.
There used to be a graying tower alone on the sea. You became the light on the dark side of me. Love remains a drug that's the high and not the pill. But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen? I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. And now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. There is so much a man can tell you, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. To me, you're like a grown addiction that I can't deny. Won't you tell me, is that healthy, baby? But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen? Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. There is so much a man can tell me, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain. To me, you're like a grown addiction that I can't deny. Now won't you tell me, is that healthy, baby? But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen? Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. Yes, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. And now that your rose is in bloom, a light that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the glue on the grave.
Elegant smell, and I'm loving this hanger swirl and how it kind of melds the two halves together. And bonus, what do you think? Does that look like strawberry cheesecake? Because I think it does, which is one of my absolute favorite things, and today is my birthday, so I'm doing things that I love. I'm really loving reading all of your comments, and I try to respond to everyone. I appreciate all of the encouragement and your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm super excited to see you in the next video very soon.